guys, Annie here. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of the van and the promised van tour. I'm actually right here in front of my house right now in Austin, Texas, and it's a beautiful day outside. The kitties have all been playing and now they're sleeping, I think, in the van. So anyway, it's been fun. I just got back from a 7-month road trip all across North America, going through Canada up to Alaska in the van, and it's been a really fun journey. So I actually drive a Ford 250 Transit high top, and what's really great about it is it gives you extra headroom than the Sprinter vans. So the few extra inches matter, not for someone short like me, but if you're like 6 foot tall, it does make a difference. And it's been a really fun ride. I have a 2-wheel drive, and in hindsight, I would love to have had a 4-wheel drive, but with that being said, I was able to get to about 98% of all the places that I wanted to, no problem. So it's been a lot of fun, so I'd love to share this with you, and if you have questions, feel free to stick it in the comments. Now on the top of the van, you can notice the max fan, and also I have 400 watts of solar panel out there, so it's really great space. And also back here, I didn't get a chance to show you guys yet, there's a little boo-boo that I'm actually planning to be bondoing up. Anyway, very important lesson, trees lean sometime. I have a really great backup camera, totally worth it. I would highly recommend it. And then this is basically my storage area in the back. You'll notice I use a lot of bungees right now, and also plastic containers, so everything's reconfigurable. So I'm gonna probably have a little bit more different setup in the back later, but I really adore this. And actually this is one of my favorite buys. This is a really great camping supply. It's a collapsible 5-gallon water bottle, which I am totally like silly for, and different ways for me to use space, and these things are amazing. So this is my setup right outside of my house right now. Toby is greeting us, and welcome to the van. So this first off is one of my favorite things that I built. It's a Murphy table with a drop down leaf, and this is where I do all of my cooking. And as you come inside, this is one of my favorite features. This is a foot pump sink, and it has a 6-gallon freshwater tank, and it holds 7 gallons of gray water. To the right is the air conditioning, which is actually plugged in. Unfortunately, it's on shore power, but it's amazing. And of course, great view, and this is where I keep my toiletry. My homemade wall art, and using super magnets, all that good stuff. And then down over this way is basically some more storage, and also this is where my Dometic refrigerator with freezer is, and it's really amazing because that's where I store everything. So below is where the kitty litter lives, and then also like additional storage, and you can see the storage down here. Now above is basically the bed, and right now you can see the kitties are sleeping after playing all day. They've been outside all day now. And I have a little area for books, and it's actually about a queen-size bed equivalent, and then of course more little storage areas. And then on the other side is basically my my closet slash storage area, and down here actually is where the magic happens. So I have these on little child-proof locks because again, we're dealing with batteries and we really don't want kitties in here. So this is my energy system, and it's gonna need to be upgraded, but basically you can kind of just see I have all of my batteries down here. I built the shelf, and it has a little child-proof locks right there too, so it makes it kind of nice and simple. But it's an overall pretty nice space and a lot of storage area. I do lose quite a bit of storage by basically having the kitty litter, which I made, but all in all, just really awesome. So there's a max fan, which I personally adore. It's better than the Fantastic fan, which a lot of people use in the industry. Toby, come here. Toby's about to make a quick one. But that's the max fan. What's great about the max fan is you can actually drive and leave it open, and also it does not you don't get rain in there whenever if it's raining outside. It has a rain cover. He's just being silly. So these little lumps are taking their afternoon nap. And so if you look around on the top, this is basically the panel, and this is the front cabin area. So I have a blackout curtain here, and then basically some shade covers, and I have some fans going on right now because it's actually quite hot in Texas. And this is basically where the dogs hang out. This is their co-pilot spot. This is where they all you know, paying whenever we're driving. And then currently I'm on shore power, so I have that plugged in. So that's pretty much it. And I have a little carbon monoxide reader and also smoke detector as well too. So it makes it nice and simple. But yeah, welcome to my humble abode. Come on, Toby. Say bye, Toby. Bye.